birthday, Ate Grace!
Happy birthday, Grace! In the way, it's like I flipped the switch, the light is really on. Cruising through the day, ooh, it's so deep in the way I feel.
Wish ko sa'yo, sana humaba yung buhay mo. And sana, alam mo naman yun alam mo naman yun lahat ng gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Lagi lang ako nasa tabi mo. Kaya, sana, huwag ka na laging high blood para long life.
Oh yeah, when it feels so right, it's all up to bring you to the light. It's all up, oh yeah, when it feels so right, it's real that love, feel that love.
Happy birthday, Tita Grace! Ano ba yan? Lukad ba magsalita ka kasi?
Medyo matamlay daw, tita.
Oo, ulit. Eh, hindi ako makakagalaw kasi
You know, yung ultimate goal ko is to make you and Papa happy. And wish ko lang na mas mahaba pang panahon yung maigugol ko sa inyo. Making you and Papa proud and ma-enjoy pa yung life more.
Kasi nung bata pa ako, siguro nung huling bonding namin was, and yung favorite bonding namin was, nung nag-Baguio kami noong 2019. To celebrate parang New Year.
Yeah, when it feels so right, it's real that love, feel that love.
Happy birthday, Grace!
Happy birthday, Ate Grace!
Happy birthday, Grace!
Being the eldest, na-remember ko, simple lang yung life natin before. Naalala ko noon, hinahagis pa ako sa bintana ng bus pag uuwi tayo ng Quezon kasi wala naman talaga tayong sasakyan pa noon. But then, now, plane na tayo sumasakay, traveling the world, katulad ng gusto niya ni Papa.
There's a certain kind of beauty that can't be found among the young, where you're settled and you're safe in your own skin. You might not see it in the movies, but you know it's real.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong na binibigay mo sa amin. Lalo-lalo na sa akin. Dahil sa iyo, nakakuha ko ng magandang buhay na hinahangad lamang ng ibang tao.
I'm really grateful for you for showing me how beautiful life can be.
Happy birthday, Nanay. I love you and I hope you have a good day today. And I wish you happiness and I hope you'll be happy and healthy for even longer.
If you feel a little tired, it's because you've come so far and your eyes reflect the grace you have received. Oh, you may...
Pinakapaborito kong quotation niya sa sarili niya, quotation niya, tila ko kalaba pa sa ko araw-araw sa paghahanap buhay.
Habang naglalakad kami sa Divisoria, may mga life lessons siyang binibigay sa akin. Nagagamit ko rin sa buhay ko. Like, kailangan madiskarte ka, dapat hindi ka maging maluho kasi hindi madali yung buhay. At dapat tuloy-tuloy lang sa laban para makamit mo rin yung success na hinahangad mo para sa sarili.
You're growing older and more beautiful each day. And more beautiful, growing older. Every woman.
Happy birthday, Ma! Alam ko, very happy ka kasi natupad na yung wish mo na makapag-celebrate ng birthday mo at least once na in grande talaga.
Happy birthday, Nay. This is a gift from all of us to you. It represents the love that we have for you and the longevity and success that we wish you for the years to come. Happy birthday, Nay.
Thank you so much.
Forming freckles on your face, wildflowers that will only bloom with age. Learning how to love who you are along the way.
Muli, happy birthday, Ma. Wish ko na ikaw ay palagi malakas. Kaya ako naman ay suporta sa iyo. I love you, Ma.
Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo, lalo sa mga anak ko. Alam ko, mahal na mahal mo sila. Happy birthday ulit. I love you, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma. And you'll always be my role model. I love you, Ma. Happy birthday.
Am I beautiful?